We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return this video is smash that like button, tell me know you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with PROG. We're gonna break it all down here with 42 Vision, Ultimate 42 Vision, and 42 Vision 2.0 based off the 30-minute, 4-hour, and 1-day to go ahead and confirm if this consolidation is strength or could it be the next bull trap trying to hold up to go to newer lows and what's going on. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the opportunities that were mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us and be prepared and aware for the opportunities before they take off every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with PROG. So today's opportunities were spectacular and beyond expectations, and through the volatility of the market, we'll continue to strive and look for opportunities like these. And if you want to get on early with us and know about what stocks we watch every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave us 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%, and 10 to 15% plus in the single day. Now, one of them turned out to almost hit home run territory. Home run is 20% plus or more, and it reached 19% in the day. Let's go ahead and look at that chart and how it performed. So the opportunity that almost reached home run territory was PHUN. We talked about this one yesterday. We talked about it today in the morning as it was pulling downwards towards the bell. It jumped up nearly 5 to 10%, and then we got that bear indicator here, and it went into extreme weakness on 42 Vision. Through the ups and downs and the volatility, we got the confirmation here. 42 Vision 2.0 full strength. Then you see here 42 Vision with strength, and we got that bull indicator, and it went up to a highest point from the dip to the rip of 19%, guys. Almost reaching home run territory, which is 20% in a single run. If you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with PROG, and we've talked about in the previous videos how these bull traps have been forming and how usually when 42 Vision is showing this area, which is white with red borders, eventually there is a reversal. Like yesterday, it went from 260 all the way to highs here of about $2.98, almost $3, giving nearly a 10 to 20% move. So PROG has been phenomenal to trade it, swing trade it among these dips, going into the rips of 10 to 20% per each one. But in this whole entire scenario, every time it's happened, we are seeing bulls get trapped in the whole entire situation that the bears and shorts are taking advantage of, okay? Yesterday, we saw the days to cover go up to 0.51. Today, it's 0.48. And also, it's still sitting at around a short interest float based off this information of 18.78, okay? Super important to be aware of that. Yesterday, we had 550,000 short shares available. In the last 16 minutes of the last update, it has about 100,000 more than yesterday. So some covering is happening, but this days to cover is not high enough to put pressure on the shorts. That is why if I put here the 5-minute, we are seeing this type of volatility, guys. This type of jumps straight up and then down because shorts are covering. They make it run up. Bulls get trapped because they get excited. They don't clearly see what's going on in the charts, and then they re-short it at the peak of that run or somewhere within it and bring it right back down. And the whole entire process is to continue this trajectory. I've been telling you guys in every single video. I get comments down below that PROG is trash. I'm telling you guys, this is a battle of a short squeeze between the bulls and the bears and the shorts. And also, it is something to be aware of that even though it could eventually squeeze, this is in a very, very tight situation. No matter how crazy the levels can go and how insane it can go to the upside, if these shorts that are actually shorting from way up here down to here get trapped, we could see another run like this one or something pretty explosive. But This is not where the short squeeze battle started. It started way down here. First video I made talking about it way back here at 142, hit lows of 120. This is the area where I started a position. I rode it all the way up towards 479. I saw it come back down. I was holding because there's a movement here going on. A lot of people are calling themselves the frogs, not the apes, but the frogs with Prog. But it went up, it hit the sixes, and if it got rejected up here, which I told everyone in the community and I even stated here in the videos, those were the highs from way back here in January. And if it couldn't break through that or sustain itself up there or consolidate and do another leg up to hit newer highs, this was going to get rejected. And guess what? It's gotten rejected, and we have seen it fall back down towards the twos. Now, I make these videos out of gratitude to share with you guys what it is that I'm seeing, what 42 Vision is showing, and how you can make your own opportunities out of it. And 42 Vision, the clarity that I have here in the charts is something you can gain access to as well by checking out the link down below to the 42 Vision indicator. You join the 42 Vision tier level and you will gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, like-minded investors, a community filled of investors looking to learn and grow. And that is something you can become part of and also obtain clarity in the charts like the 42 Vision indicators and the premium indicators I'm about to show you guys. Okay, so we are seeing right now 42 Vision. Usually when this happens, there's a reversal. It did a 10 to 20% reversal, but it's been on weakness. Now, I stated that if it can hold up above 220s and also stay within the 270s and not really break down, because the closer it gets to 220, the weaker it's getting. But if it can hold up above it and stay in the 270s, this is where things took off last time, and it could possibly happen again if shorts get trapped at these levels. Now, we are seeing this consolidation form, but it's super important to realize where we stand on the 30-minute with 42 Vision 2.0. If I go ahead and remove 42 Vision, you will see that there's a lot more red than green, and it's been very short-lived. This is when the squeeze, most recent squeeze, happened, and then also there was a small one here, and it's been going downwards since up here in the fives, right? But when we put ultimate 42 Vision, you can see here the bear indicators that have been popping up every single time, and we're under a bear indicator since up here in the threes, and it still has not shown a bull indicator, right? I'm looking for that bull indicator. That's what I said back here on the 29th, if this was going to reverse and how strong it could be. And it came up and we got that reversal, but it wasn't strong enough to hold up in that direction. Needed a breakthrough 379, 380, and then up here at the $4 range. It did not do that, got rejected. It's been going downwards, but we're consolidating here, okay? 42 Vision 2.0 is showing like it's leveling off, like it wants to try to reverse, but that's just based off the 30-minute. If we put the 4-hour, this has been in a bearish story for some time, okay? We have seen extreme weakness and also a bearish story since up here at 490. I've shown you guys how powerful this is, and I always say through the volatility, this met specific levels in this area that even though it came back up, if it did not send a bull indicator, we were going to go into further weakness, and that's exactly what we've seen. And also right here was the shift from green to red on 42 Vision 2.0, and we've been going down that trajectory since then. So I want you guys to understand, on the 4-hour, it has been showing the bigger picture, and we've been going downwards. We are trying to consolidate here. As you can see, this is all straight downwards. It is actually holding itself up here. If it could stay sideways, okay, and not just collapse right back down, but kind of bounce around here, it could be setting up for a possible reversal. We just don't know how strong it's going to be. And the last time it squeezed was around this area. So these are some key levels to watch. But if it breaks through the supports, breaks through the $2 range, 220s, this is going into further weakness. And if a bull indicator does not reappear or strength back up, we have been under a bear indicator since then up here at the 490s, $5 range. So super important to be aware of that. Now, on the 1 day, things are looking a little bit different. We got the bear indicator that popped up on the 1 day, and this has finally shifted from green to red. Okay, I want you guys to see this. And usually when this story starts, it does not end very quickly. Okay, these usually last for several days, several weeks. If I put here 42 vision, you could see how long it lasted here, how long it lasted here. Now, if this is a fake out, we might see this reverse right back up. But if this continues this trajectory and this bear indicator is significant and is going to stay there, we're probably going to see things get a lot more bearish. Okay, it's super important to be aware of this. Now, it's not confirmed yet, but this has been red back to back, and this was the first date on the one day that I stated if this shifts this green one into red, we are going to go into further weakness. And now what I was looking for was a bear indicator. If it popped up 4 days ago, and here we are today, December 2nd, all the way down here in the 270s, 260s, and also 42 vision 2.0, shifting from this strength into a possible reversal of weakness. And when it starts, it does not last very short. It lasts for several days. And on the 4 hour, it's been like that. We need to see how things are looking. And also on the 30-minute, things are looking pretty weak. It's just trying to consolidate, and it's showing a point here where it's trying to reverse. We just need to see if volume picks up and things can actually start pushing upwards. And not only the 30-minute push upwards, but the 4 hour and the 1 day all together. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.